Yeah.
Stay here with it. Oh, I sat on the
Goldfish.
Poor goldfish. Back then, smiles back until you butt out their heads. Goldfish. You're in the room. Ow. Ow. Oh, there's some good stuff. Popcorn. Oh, graham crackers. Popcorn. Oh, I missed. I still want that.
I don't think that's gonna knock it over.
No, I was trying to knock it over. I'm trying to hit it. No, it's our Magic Pajamas.
Pretty cool. I dropped it.
That was funny. Love me.
Love me.
Open your mouth. No, that was like down your shirt or something.
No, it was in my legs.
Oh, that's even better. Oh, I almost hit it. There's popcorn all over the place, so I'm gonna go like, slap.
That's what we go through, huh?
Blah, 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 blah.
Yeah, I'll be like,
He was like, I think it's weird he was eating popcorn, he was eating something.
we gotta make sure we can fit in here together now.
Yeah. No, we can't.
Oh, you have to tuck your legs in. Your legs in first. Sit as far as your back as you can.
Alright, maybe we should turn this off while we're trying to... Here, hold this.
She's very entertaining, kids.
Hold this. Alright, it's off. Alright. Let me get in. Come on. Back.
I was trying to clear this up, but it's
Have it upside down.
oh, it scared me.
Here, we don't need that. I can fit. I got a skinny butt.
Tuck your legs in now, like, oh,
Crap, that hurts.
I'm not gonna fit. Come on, stop throwing stuff.
Just throw it down there.
You gotta get them.
What's this? Chinese? No.
I hope it works. We're not gonna be able to both fit in here. Damn, it was
Crap.
so hide.
Shoot. We'll be like, ah!
Oh, you punched me with the shade.
Oh, I'm stuck. Oh.
I think I should take this off because I don't know.
Ah, Casey. Oh, he jumped it all over me. It's all down my shirt. I don't want this anymore. Can't get up.
I want to see what these are.
Oh crap, let's do snacks. How can you not know what stickers are? Well, stackers. Elmer. I'm gonna choke on my food.
Seen them. Don't choke, Shelb. I don't know how to save lives.
You don't? Oh my god, how stupid are you?
Just an idea.
I'm stuck. There's popcorn all over the place.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, red ones are good. Awesome.
Okay.
Complicated. I don't have to say anything horribly.
They stick.
Oh, duh.
Why are they sticking out?
Because there's still a light flashing on the camera.
Seriously?
That means it's still on.
Oh.